Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, August 6th. And you can see outside the window this morning some clouds. We got showers and thunderstorms that'll be moving in from the west into the area here, especially across the southern two-thirds of lower Michigan. Most areas will pick up some very beneficial rainfalls, and some areas could pick up locally up to around 2 inches. And we could also be looking at some severe thunderstorms here as we go through the next 12 hours, especially for this afternoon into this evening. And again, we'll keep an eye out for possible heavy rain along with those thunderstorms. Right now, the biggest threat would be damaging winds to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. And if we look at the normals of the day, our normal high is 82, the normal low 59. You can see 100 years ago today, we had a high of 102 degrees. Yesterday, a very warm 90 degrees, 90.8 with a low of 72.1, and no precipitation over the last 24 hours, but that'll change here today. The state high yesterday, 94 degrees at Flint, the low 48 at Marquette and at Iron Mountain. And if we look at those couple of 90-degree days we picked up in Breckenridge, we're now up to 13 days above 90, and Middleton and Lansing at 15, and also at 13 is Henderson and Jasper, Blissfield at 12. So pretty warm summer this year. And if we look at conditions out there this morning, very warm and humid out there, mainly low to mid 70s across the area. And again, with those clouds and thunderstorms moving in, we'll probably see highs mainly in the low 80s across the most of the area, but down across southeast lower Michigan, if they can see enough breaks, we could see temperatures around 86 to 90 degrees there. It could be another hot, sticky day down there. And again, I think down in the southern part of the state, that's where I think our best chance of severe storms will be, but can't rule out severe thunderstorms anywhere across the EMAC and the LAC area here for today, especially for this afternoon into tonight. On the satellite view, you can see the big MCS complex that develops across Wisconsin. Weakens this morning, but more continue to fire along that front that'll slowly be sagging to the east-southeast over the next 24 to 36 hours. And if we look at the radar, you can see some of that activity now beginning to move into the area, some scattered activity out ahead of it. But I think as the morning progresses, we'll see these showers and thunderstorms spread over the area, and then new ones that'll develop this afternoon have a chance to be quite severe across the southern part of the state. And you can see the Storm Prediction Center for the day one outlook concludes a slight risk in the southern lower Michigan. And again, watch for possible severe thunderstorm watches later this afternoon into this evening. And if we look at the weather map this morning, you can see a number of low pressure systems along this front. And with these lows moving up the front, that'll make this front very slow to move to the south and east. Again, you can see some heavy rain also possible up into the thumb area, southern lower Michigan, southeast lower Michigan, far southwest lower Michigan. Again, some areas could see locally 2 or more inches of rain out of some of these, especially in areas where we see thunderstorms train right over the same areas. And again, the best chance would be a southern lower Michigan, but again, all areas should pick up a good ½ inch or more of rain across the area. Many areas could pick up an inch or more of rain as well from the system. And by tomorrow, you can see that front just very slowly sagging to the south down near southeast lower Michigan. And again, that'll be the best chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow across the southern part of the state. And finally, we'll see this front move out of the area Wednesday. Can't totally rule out a shower or thunder shower Wednesday and Thursday, but again, chances will be quite low in that 20 to 30% chance range by the time we get into Thursday. And as far as precipitation amounts, you can see really anywhere from around the Ludington area up towards Oscoda. From there south, you can see quite a bit of precipitation. Again, the heaviest, the most likely to be over an inch, will be across the southern part of the state. And if we look at weather watch this morning, again, heat advisories off to our west. We got a flash flood warning in portions of east central Iowa. Nothing for the Great Lakes, but again, watch later on for today for possible severe thunderstorm watches. Here's the forecast. You can see mainly low to mid 80s. Again, southeast lower Michigan, you could get close to 90 degrees if you can see enough sunshine here into the early and mid-afternoon hours. But overall, low to mid 80s right on through the next 5 days. The best chance of precipitation will be today into Tuesday, and then maybe about a 40% chance for some thunderstorms on Thursday. So overall, looks like a good opportunity for rainfall here over the next 24 to 36 hours. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.